Welcome to Key to Your Success tip number 1. I'm your host, Dana Cakebread from Stylist Success BootCamp. So let's talk about number 1. Number 1 is the foundation of starting your search for a salon. Or perhaps you are in a new space that you are just wanting to start figuring out, what are you saying? What does your workspace say about you? How do you want it to feel? I want you to choose 3 adjectives that you want to feel and what you want it to look like every day when you walk into that space. Now, you could say, I want to feel confident and stylish, energetic. Now, these words all have images set to them. Does your space look confident, stylish, and energetic? You're going to choose your own 3 words, but I'm using these as an example. So write your 3 down below so that you can share them with me. But what this is your inner navigation system that basically lets you clue in, is this space feeling like any of your 3 words? Maybe you can grow and work towards those words. But everything around you actually gives off an essence of emotion, whether you feel connected to it or not. Are the people around you feeling confident? Are they stylish? Are they energetic? Is the fabrics and decorations around you, the decor of the space, do they feel confident? Do they feel stylish? Do they feel energetic? Do they bring some light to the room? So whatever those words are, start with those 3 and they will give you the true essence and guidance for you. Your 3 words are your words. This is how you can see and feel whether or not you're in the right space, or you need to start creating that and work towards that. So use those 3 words as your guidance. Start there and move to tip number 2.